Hello LA everyone, welcome to Software Bank How to Use channel and page. Today's tutorial is AutoCAD 2021. I will show you how to activate the license for this. AutoCAD 2021 is the latest version of AutoCAD, a professional computer-aided design software application for 2D and 3D drafting and design. It includes a wide range of features and tools for creating and editing technical drawings, such as architectural plans, engineering schematics, and product designs. AutoCAD 2021 includes a number of new features and enhancements, such as improved performance and stability, new drawing history features for tracking changes to drawings, enhanced blocks palette and revision cloud tools, new break objects at a single point, and streamlined trim and extend options. New quick measure tool for measuring geometry, cloud storage connectivity, and other collaboration features. AutoCAD 2021 is a powerful and versatile CAD software application that can be used by a wide range of professionals, including architects, engineers, product designers, and drafters.